Hello, son. I would like to ask you about what you have thought about studying or dedicating yourself in life. You're already in the sixth semester of a high school, and a few months from graduating, the universities are already beginning with the procedures and admission exams. And well, I'm intrigued to know what will happen to you with your future.
Hi mom, that's exactly what I wanted to talk to you about. I feel very happy because I finally decided what to do in my life. I was researching on university pages and that's how I found out about the industrial engineering career.
And what's the career about? What's the profile and what development opportunities from the profession?
As you know me well mom, I always look for ways to do things in an easier and more effective way, not just sticking with what I'm taught. You also know that I am very curious and I am interested in learning new things, ways to fix things and others. That is basically what an industrial engineer looks for and does. But look, I'll show you a bit of what I've been researching. I saw some videos about the career and there they'll explain what opportunities I'll have in the development of my profession.
Okay, son, let's see what this profession is about.
You should know that in this career, to enter, the student must preferably.
Well, it's a lucky day, since we will define the professional profile for an industrial engineer. So pay close attention if you want to know more.
You should know that in this career, to enter, the student must preferably have knowledge in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and that type of sciences. And also with some skills such as analysis, creativity, leadership, responsibility, and maturity in decision making, visualization, and research and understanding of text and situations. You have these factors, without a doubt, this career is for you.
Well, in general, an industrial engineer is a comprehensive professional who designs, manages, and optimizes production and services process, develops and implements quality management systems, and directing all his efforts continuous improvements, competitiveness, and national and international sustainability of the companies. Companies contributing to the permanent promotion of employments, with the skills of evaluation and decision making for industrial investment projects, innovation and technological developments. That's all that industrial engineers do.
Once you finish your studies, some of the characteristics that the graduate profile has is that they will be able to analyze, design, and manage production systems from the provision of inputs to the delivery of production and services, integrating them effectively and efficiently, implement quality management systems to meet customer and stakeholder requirements, manage safety systems, occupational health and environmental protection in production and service industries, and many more skills that you will have developed in the end.
Do you want to develop these and more skills throughout your career and your life? So do not hesitate, industrial engineer.
You see mom, these are traits that characterizes me and it convinced me to develop my applied skills in this engineering. This was the reason that motivated me to make the decision.
Yes, if he mentioned some of your professional aspects. However, what about professional development opportunities?
Now, let's watch the video.
Are you afraid of studying industrial engineering and not having job and growth opportunities?
Do you present nervousness and anxiety that you will not have the opportunity to develop professional as an industrial engineer and it discourages you from leaving your dream aside?
It happens to most of us, but don't worry, you are choosing one of the careers with the longest labor field and may exist.
And it is that unlike other engineers. In this case, you not only have to dedicate yourself to working in goods companies, but also services.
Industrial engineers are necessary in the production process part of any area. This allowing you to even be in the administrative part of a company such as human resources, planning, among others.
But as we mentioned, they are now also necessary in the area of services, which remind us that unlike goods, These are the intangible and are defined as an activity provided by a services provider.
And it is that what the companies of goods and services look for in industrial engineering is that they use the available resource to the maximum efficiency of the production time and the optimization of the production process.
Considering this aspect, the industrial engineer is essential for the current industry model, since he is in charge of supplying all the solutions that the company or place need.
Do you want to check it yourself? Decide on industrial engineering, because you will surely find work and you will be able to go as far as you want. You will have opportunities to develop yourself professionally.
Wow. The truth is that you make me feel relieved with this information. Today and more in the future, the demand for work will be very high. But it's very interesting to know what will have to develop your professional in the field and market that you want. That will not struggle to have your job with your ability.
I told you, Mom, and so that you stay calmer and taking advantage of the fact that you mentioned the future, I'll show you what I saw about the trends and challenges of the future career, so that you can see how I will see myself in a few years.
How many times have we not heard about careers and universities with all monotonous, boring curricula that are not futuristic?
Industrial engineering is a career that seeks the continuous improvement of goods and services. But with this, it also means that everything in the world can have an improvement. It can continue to evolve.
We currently live in digital age, so companies seek to increase their profits without investing so much. So we, as industrial engineers, have the challenge of looking for economical, effective, and efficient solutions to innovate in their productivity, achieve greater production, and that everyone, including the operator.
Decision making and the development of critical thinking will be skills that must be developed in a better way, in order to be more accurate and secure in our decisions. However, not only that, but also new technologies such as Industry 4.0 are important for us to know to adapt to the needs of the world.
Not also forget the ecological aspect. The environment manager ensures that all processes are aimed at solving, mitigating and/or preventing environment problems, with the aim of achieving sustainable development. The industrialist must enforce environment policies without reducing the productivity of the industry.
We must evaluate the environmental impact of the production or distribution method, prevent and control pollution generated by the industry, preserve wildlife and ecosystems, promote environmental education, among many others.
Do you want to study a revolutionary engineering in constant development and growth?
Do not think about it anymore and dedicate yourself to an innovative and technological profession, industrial engineering.
I'm very proud of you. You have really surprised me with the way you choose your career, the way you investigate, and that you will achieve so many things throughout your life. You will undoubtedly be an excellent professional.
Thank you, Mom. Without a doubt, this career is what I seek and want in my life. Always lead to meet challenges and improve people's lives. With pride, in a few years, I will be able to boast that I'm an industrial engineer.